Camera one. Camera one. Is it working? Lauren, screen. Oh, welcome to Hamfreeze. Hungry Hamfreeze. Today we're making macaroons. Let me get the. I've got my taupe on. I've got. Today the secret ingredient on Hungry Hamfreeze is Blue Moon. Now, a lot of you might not know what Blue Moon is. It's a Midwestern treat, and this is the pure sauce. This is the pure, uncut Blue Moon sauce right there. Don't put the birds in the batter. Okay, I won't. So, let's see here. We got our ingredients. Let me zoom in on them. We got pure, unadulterated egg. We got a little cream of tartar. We've got sugar. We got special flour mix. And that's really all you need. And a little bit of course, the love of the night, Blue Moon sauce. A macaron is a delectable French delight made of pure egg and air. It's a cookie with a crunch and almond flour, and it's got, well, oh no. The first step, you whip these eggs up as hard and fast as you can. Lock it down, crank it. We're looking for a light foam. See that foaminess? That's exactly what we need. Now we just need to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. I don't know what it does, but it's required. Now we don't want too much. In fact, we want a little bit less than a full 1/4, just to be on the safe side. It's an acid balancer, says Analog Hole. What we're gonna do next is add this caster sugar, right? I think caster slowly, 1/3 at a time, until we get stiff peaks. We don't want to over whip it, but we also don't want to under whip it. All right, starting to look good. I think we're getting close. Pay attention to the bird, please. It's just powdered sugar and almond flour. Now we're doing the folding. Now this is a very important technique because you don't want to break the meringue. So you're very gently flipping and flopping, rolling, wandering. It's like Bob Ross if he's painting pine trees. Just being nice and kind to the dough. And then once we see all of the almond flour kind of not in there anymore, we add more. 1/3 at a time, just like the other sugar. You gotta be yoking me? That is a good catchphrase. You gotta be yoking me. Lauren's gonna take a shot at making macaroons. What she wants us to do is to deflate all the bubbles. Not all of them, but enough that it'll be able to sink. So it'll be a smooth cookie. When you let it drop in, it should leave a trail, but the trail should kind of turn into little lines. It's sunk, but the lines remain, just like a silly putty. It's got silly putty consistency, or lava, or a third thing. So we're gonna dump this into a cauldron. You gotta be yoking me. That is a delicious macaroon batter. Now we got a pipe. Macaroon batter piping is a delicate process. There's only one right way to do it, and I have never succeeded. They don't have to be perfect, but they should be better than what I'm doing. I'm not very good at this. Squish. Whoop. Let me grab the... Oh, you already have the other one. Thank you. Oh, no! We're going to salvage the floor sauce and rebag it and re-pipe it. This is a newly cleaned floor. Lauren vacuumed this morning, so it's fresh. It's only got a little bit of foot stank on it, and we'll just feed it to Lauren's mom, and it'll be fine. That's yolkin' delicious. I need my bowl. I need my butter. I need some Ghirardelli classic white chips. We need 90 grams of butter. 100 grams powdered sugar. Pop it in. Pop it in. Pop it in. It looks like little pebbles, but in time, they will combine and become a wonderful buttery cream called buttercream. And here it comes. The creaminess, it's happening. Look at that. Buttercream. Now, to prep the white chocolate. We need 20 grams of white chocolate. Let's double boil. So you just want to keep it moving until it turns into a sauce. Cheers to a delicious Christmas. Yoke me once. Now time to bag it for piping. So now we got this Christmas spatula. It just says have a Christmas on it. So this is our bag full of frosting, ready to go. You have to touch it in order to know whether it is ready to go in the oven or not. Lauren is doing the touch test currently, and she's saying they are not ready. She's saying they need more time. I'm saying first batch in the oven. The trick of a good macaron is having feet, and feet is when little tiny fluffy parts develop on the bottom side of the macaron. There's frills. It looks like it's wearing a cute dress, like a skirt or a dress. Bada 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 badang badang dang badang da dong. You gotta be yoking me. So you see on the one in the far back right, that one has a beautiful foot developing. So I went up to Wisconsin where we have a blue moon culture and went to Sassy Cow Creamery where they make the ice cream. And me and my dad convinced the teens that were working to give us some raw blue moon sauce. And that's how we have access to the blue moon sauce. You cannot buy this stuff online. It's black market blue moon sauce. A lot of people would argue that blue is a flavor. Oh! Happy creaming for Christmas. Happy creaming for dining. It is creamy Christmas. Cream time. Having fun with my brothers. Talking about the cookies. I am Christ, born again a cookie. You gotta be yoking me.